Let's dive right into how OIS Designs turns stressful renovation nightmares into your absolute dream home.
Big home projects, they're super overwhelming, right? Especially when those massive upfront costs start piling up.
You know the feeling. The dream is totally there, but the friction of renovations just stops you cold. Honestly, the biggest roadblock is usually the money. Traditional lump sum financing is a massive barrier. But here's the game changer. You literally just scan your room with your phone for an instant 360-degree design.
Even better, OIS tackles the money problem by partnering with flexible buy now, pay later platforms. Folks like Sarah in Toronto actually got their dream kitchen without all that awful financial stress.
Michael and Priya in Mississauga agreed. They got the amazing design plus flexible help to pay for it.
So just imagine going straight from a quick phone scan to a stunning, finished space, totally stress-free.
Go book your free planning session at osdesigns.com today. Remember, live by design, not by default.
Your design is visualized, your financing is sorted, so what's stopping you from building that dream space today?